Getting this place set up so that I can do some more recording out here. I'm looking forward to sharing some more things out here with you while I can. But it's not where I want it to be right now, but something came up that's very important that I feel like we need to talk about right now. And you might already know what it is if you read the title of this video. I don't like to talk about the politics of YouTube and what they're doing and the decisions they're making because, quite frankly, I just don't care mostly. There are a lot of people who do care, however. There are people who have tied up their living in being successful on YouTube. And for those people, this is a very important discussion. But for me, it's also important, though maybe not in the same way and maybe not as much. Okay, the problem. The problem is YouTube has recently been honestly painted into a corner. I feel like it's not YouTube's fault. A legal decision came down, a legal decision that I am calling "Won't Anybody Think of the Children?" That basically YouTube now has to say, okay, we cannot show videos to anybody. If you're a kid, we have to cut you off from certain videos. And we also have to cut off the comment section because people say mean things in the comment section. And we have to not show you ads because we can't control the ads, and some ads might have bad things in them. All of which are fine. Honestly, all of which I'm not opposed to any of what they're saying and what they're planning on doing and any of that. But what it sounds like they're saying is they're going to ask every YouTuber, is your video and your channel suitable for children? If yes, then your videos will be shown to children, but you will have no monetization and no comment section. And that to me sounds a little bit like throwing out the baby with the bathwater. Now, it would not surprise me if they're just communicating badly what they're planning on doing, and if what they're actually planning on doing is setting it so that by default, if you log on to YouTube and you don't have a proper login, or if you log on to YouTube and you haven't registered your account as being a not child, that they will then cut off the comment section from you, which they do a lot. If you're at a school and you try logging on to YouTube, you will see that the comment section is disabled, and they also won't show you ads there. But if you register your video as for kids, your video will be seen to those people. But if you register as an adult, that you will get to see those videos and everybody else's, and you'll get the ads and you'll get the comments section. I feel like that's the right way, and it surprises me that that doesn't seem like what YouTube's doing. It seems like they're saying, no, if you say that your channel is for children, you get no monetization and you get no comment section. Now, the thing is, for me personally, I'm not on YouTube to make a living. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm on YouTube. Let me state why I'm on YouTube. I started YouTube. I started making videos on YouTube. And this is going to sound cheesy and corny and over the top, but it's true. I started on YouTube because I wanted to make the world a better place. See, I wanted to share what I knew, and I wanted other people to benefit from my knowledge. So I started making YouTube videos. I've never been good at following trends and charting analytics and optimizing, min-maxing my thumbnails and trying to make the best YouTube I can. I do a little bit of that because I'm not a fool, but I don't do so much of that it occupies a lot of my time, and consequently, yeah, I don't have the most successful YouTube channel out there. I have what I have said many times is a moderately successful YouTube channel. And I'm okay with that. I have to be okay with that. So since my goal is to make the world a better place, losing monetization, well, I mean, let's be honest. My world is a better place when I get paid a little bit for making these videos, but it doesn't really affect the fact that I'm making videos to make the world a better place. Losing monetization, yeah, hurts, and it might make it difficult to make my videos in the future, but at the same time, I'm not going to stop making videos because I haven't got monetization anymore. That's just not my style. That said, I don't know how I would feel if my videos were cut off from the young people in my audience. I've had many young people approach me in public and say that they saw my videos, that they liked my videos, and that they liked what I was doing and were inspired by it and were doing cool things. Maybe not because of my videos, but they were doing cool things and my videos were in some way a part of that. And man, I like that. That is making the world a better place. So YouTube is basically asking me to choose between showing videos to those kids or not. And that's a hard decision. That's a decision that I don't want to have to make. And I really, really don't want to lose the comment section. That is the part that hurts the most because I value your input. I value every single comment that you guys write, and I read every single comment that you guys write. So getting rid of the comment section, oh, that right there hurts a lot. So I guess what I'm saying by this video is, what do you think I should do? Should I tell YouTube, yes, my videos are for kids, making sure that they're still seen by the younger people in my audience who I want to see them, but losing monetization and the comment section? Or should I say no? And should I maybe make a better focus at being a better YouTuber and making videos that appeal to a wider audience? I mean, I'm sure my wife would like me to do that. Well, I don't know. And quite frankly, I don't want to have to make this decision on my own. So while there is still a comment section under my videos, and until YouTube flips the switch and turns it off because I said that my videos were appropriate for children, not to say that they're just for children, but appropriate for children, while you've still got a comment section, go down there and sound off on what you think. Would you be willing to lose that comment section if it meant inspiring young people to do making? And if that's the case, if I do lose monetization on YouTube, I'm probably going to have to rely on other avenues as well. There's, of course, going to be my Patreon, and I appreciate everybody who backs me on there. And kids, don't back me on Patreon, okay? If you're a kid and you're watching this, you do not back me. Tell your parents to. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm going to have to rely on Patreon, and I'm going to rely on more Kickstarters. I'm going to do things like low poly dinos and Chibi Malls more often. And with the Lego fiasco that's happening, I've got an idea for my next one that I think you guys will like, but we'll get into that in the future. But that said, would you be okay with that? Would you be okay with me losing that if it means that my videos have to, that my videos will reach a wider audience? Or are you, like me, like going to be so sad to lose the comment section that it's just not worth it and I should just cut off that part of my audience because somebody's got to think about the children? I don't know. I'm asking you guys, and I want to hear what you guys got to say about it, so sound off in the comments. And as always, I want to thank you very much for watching. As always, like I always say, and like I'm going to say in just a second, safety first, because I care about you. I'll see you next time.
Before we go, check out this cool project on the What You Making channel on my Discord. Why don't you stop by and check out what other cool projects are there? And hey, if you share something you've done, maybe you'll see it in a future video too.
Thank you very much for watching. Hey, if I mentioned anything in this video, you'll find a link to it in the cards, and you should check that out. Did you know that I'm social? I've got links to all the socials, and you should stop by and say hi. I really kind of enjoy it when that happens. Big thanks go out to my direct backers, and if you want to know more about how you can become that, there'll be a link right here that you can check out. And as always, I want to remind you, safety first, because I care about you, and I'll see you next time. Oh, that's interesting. Classic one there.